Ossington Strip here in Toronto. Stopped in at the bakery, French bakery. I'll get I'll record the front, get a proper entry of this. And I'm trying their popular their popular baked good here. It's a pesto jerk chicken. So we're gonna give that a try. I love the pastry part, the pie part, and we're gonna give this a try. I'm not sure if this is part of the empanada. Like I was gonna get an empanada, the spicy beef, but the owner suggested this, the pesto jerk chicken is the popular one. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna give it a try. All right, so the pie pastry part is lovely. It is dry, but it's not a bad dry, if that makes any sense. It looks like there's some cheese in here. I haven't gotten to the chicken part yet, I don't think. I do like the pie, like pie pastry. It's really nice. Take your bite. Yum. All right, I finally got bit into where the chicken is. It's nice. It's a nice taste. I love pie pastries things. So very good. French bakery on Ossington Strip. And yeah, I finally got into the chicken. Look inside. Yum. Pesto, cheese, and chicken. Take your bite.